Hey there, it's Asheritah from OneThingAlone.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download your free audiobook version of the book Full Food, Jesus, and the Battle for Satisfaction. You're going to start at www.thefool.life/free audiobook, where you can have this. You find the link right here to listen for free. And this is available for any new Audible trials, and that trial is free. So when you click there, it'll take you to the Amazon page that shows a listing for the audiobook for Full. And you'll see here the Amazon special offer. It's free with the Audible trial. You can see all the details for that here. Just go ahead and click Try Audible Free. This will show you what you get with your free Audible trial, and this book is included as well. So you just go ahead and click Confirm Your Free Trial. And if you don't want to get billed, you'll want to make sure that you cancel your trial membership within the 30 days. If you get prompted to add any information, go ahead and add that in. This is just in a situation where maybe you didn't complete filling out your Amazon profile. Like we just set up a profile to show you the steps of the trial. So I'm going to hit use this address here, and you'll be taken to the next page. So here you go. It'll tell you welcome to Audible. You can get the Audible app to start listening. And it'll even send you a link to your device. So you can enter your phone number here and it'll send you a link for you to be able to download the Audible app. But I do want you to know, in order to listen to this book on the phone app, you need to first claim it on your desktop. So you can go ahead right here and get it here, or if it doesn't show up, you can always search for it again right here. Just type Full Asheritah and it should pull up. Let's do, go right here under audiobook. In this case, it's already downloaded because I went through the process that I just showed you. So you can go to my Audible library and sign in. And you'll be taken to your Audible download page. So you can see it's already here. You can start listening to it right here if you hit play, or you can download it to your computer. You can download the app on your phone and listen to it there. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Just send us an email at support@onethingalone.com, and we would love to help you. Again, that page that you'll want to go to start with is the fool.life/free audiobook. And feel free to share this with your friends. It's a great way to listen to a really wonderful book, absolutely free with your Audible free trial. All right, thanks so much, friends.